Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I'm going to be doing my scrapbook flip-through for you today. This is the first scrapbook that I have completed, and I'm really excited about it, and I just wanted to share it with you. So this album is 12 by 12, and it is from the Mamba, I believe, collection. It was part of a kit. It was the album, paper, stickers, and some embellishment type things. So anyway, I just wanted to share all the layouts that I have made since I've started doing the scrapbooks videos. So here we go. Okay, this is the first. This one is not in an album yet, but this was me and my son Jason and my grandma. Okay, so this is the first one called Family. And there is one of the feral cats. And here's one of my indoor cat, Bella. And here is Halloween when my kids were little. And here is a Halloween layout with me and my two sons. And here's another Halloween layout by these are my sons, and this is a dummy that we had made that they are standing next to. And this is when my brother came in 2008, I believe, to where we lived with his kids. And over there is a picture of my cat. I had a chair that sat right across, and there was this chair, and then there was a computer, and she would always get in the chair that was next to my chair, and she would look through the slot in the back of it. So I did that one, and here's my son, and she was a puppy then. That was 2008, but that's the little dog that you see sometimes in my videos. And here's Shadow, taken in about 2010. He's the black dog that you will see laying behind me a lot of times. And here is me and my boys when they were little. And here's the Christmas photos, them at different ages. And here's me and my boys at different ages, growing up. And here is a picture of some cranes that flew up in some eucalyptus trees that were on our property. And here's me and my dog Blake. She was a black and silver German Shepherd. So there's that. And this is a cat show. This was my cat, Pierre, son Jason. And these are some of the awards that Pierre had won when I was showing him in cat shows. And here's my son Jason and his bird Jake. And here is my brother and his wife. This was taken a couple of years ago in Santa Barbara, California, when they came to visit us. And he's from Colorado. And here is my mom and my dad. This was taken during the same visit as this one. And then the last one in this album is the hummingbirds. I always have hummingbird feeders wherever I live. So, and that's the hummingbird feeder. So anyway, I've really enjoyed the scrapbooking process, and I am getting ready to continue. I'm going to fill up album number 2, and I already have my first picture, or my first layout, the one that I just showed that wasn't in the album. That will be the first one in the new album. So anyway, that is my flip through of my first layouts. So I want to thank everybody so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.